And you be seeing now the whole Kennedy Japan versus Obi Nimensemo Ekosono. I think there's one question we are refusing to ask. But a lot of people supporting Kennedy Japan enyaya nankasa ene ebe kono. Answer nebe to us on subscribe and click the notification bell no and no any down screen so see here. We understand latest news we about one sa ebe kan. Asem ne saying a question a young crofo ebisa and say omunyaya ana asem ayo omoka ne say omunyaya nanka Kennedy Japan wo be ya na wa close obi nim na sorry. Kennedy Japan nankasa ama that threatening message say ma will be nim MBA na sorry no will be close will be nim na sorry down. I want us to look at the laws of Ghana. Na ye bisa ye ho say ne kre Kennedy Japan betumi close will be nim na sorry ana. Aban betumi close will be nim na sorry due to the allegations that Kennedy Japan edi tudwa ewo ne tu ana. So that is the question I want us to ask ourselves. Na ye ni aye educate ye ho na ye hu de ekoso. The American say, I'll read some laws of the country, Ghana, and Brabia, na a woho, send me na ye check the religious bodies, and there, send us am running ya to Achenia, ama and the Ghana for a diavreho because of churches, send me a pastor for a treating crop for. Now, let's say this, let me put it straight. Kennedy Japan single-handedly, Kennedy Japan can actually not close down any church. Because Kennedy Japan is not the law. Aya brofo na American. But remember, me say Kennedy Japan himself solely cannot close down any church because Kennedy Japan is not the law. Naturally say Kennedy Japan ankasa no wono wonyemra into wono ankasa into me mfa ne pe enkoto asori dan bi mu. The right people who can close down a church police, the security agencies, BNI, national security, they are the right people. So I am saying this literally. Say Kennedy Japan ankasa want to me fane pe enko close down church because emra ewo Ghana has say. Now, and that me no ka say Ghana churches niano they are seen as NGOs. Intiana Ghana churches yanje tax info mo because Ghana mrano we NGO yenje tags bia info ho. And so and there asori bia sorry to me just comes up. No registration, nothing. We don't say sorry no more ya na enyin. Now we be members. Na tese afi wo kosoro saa na Ghana ye e wo system ni mu. And no ka ho e na nsori adoso. I want to read Ghana Emra Rollins etiso no. Emra bia Rollins or the buy the PNDC law. Na me read it share wa wo be hu no say hey na Ghana ye wo mbra papa e wo ho afei ye wi ade ye bisa ye ho say sam mbra ni na e wa hi. Now the PNDC law 221, it is also known as the Religious Bodies Registration Law. Was essentially PNDC law 221 provides that every religious body in Ghana shall be registered under this law, and no religious body in existence in Ghana shall, after 3 months from the commencement of this law, operate as such unless it is registered under this law. Christian Council of Ghana, 4th November 1989. Just 1989. And I just say yeah in Brawe. Send ya midin kan etre mono. Rollins in Breso and award Brawe e buy. Was it section 20 of PNDC law 221 defines religious bodies to mean any association of persons or body or organization which professes adherence to or belief in any system of faith or worship, or which is established in pursuance of religious objectives. The work can say, that time no, in 1989, na embra edda asore so. To me sorry keke enka se wo ti asore. It is that time no, they were all in check. Unim na yehu se wosofu bi ekodi bone a. you were under a committee. Now, I will read more on some 1989 law, no, because you see, a Ghana constitution I used to a 1992 constitution. So this law, by answer the 1992 constitution, no, that's the fact I want us to all put down. Now, what's it? However, according to the Ministry of the Interior, PNDC Law 221 was created because certain individuals and groups are using or planning to use church premises as meeting grounds in furtherance of blah blah blah. Okay, and on the political side, say the entire woman this our law no eba sa time and say sa time no na nkrofo e sheda ko gu asore ho say politics wo mu scheme e bia ye pese ye two president every so entire no this our law no eye den eba. Now, I want to read the law that was imposed on a pastor for pastors. Tie. Was a furthermore, no one may use the title pastor. Muntie ni ye 1989. Embra na ewo Ghana na e cheke asofo ewo Ghana ha say. Ye wi na ye bisa ye ho say samra na sisi a ni na ewo he. Ya to egu. Was say furthermore, no one may use the title pastor without being connected to and qualified under the constitution of the religious institution to which that person belongs, which must be registered and recognized by the Religious Affairs Committee. Brofa ye kan ina say, Sambre na Rollins Otisono, ye seti committee be aye from Religious Affairs Committee. Wo bi enu wa wo be sore e the title pastor ato ne so sa akeke. E ji say, wo ba e be register wa sore a ukita enkrata, you are qualified into the Religious Affairs Committee no ebe vetel enhu say okay abrantie wako school say wako pastoral school nimde say no wo we no tumi ye inti esefata say ye de pastoral tag na ebono inti sa time no wo sorry na wan go through the process wa wonim military regime wo sorry na wan go through the process na wo fra wo ho pastor wa so be ye hye emra ana ewo Ghana 1989 eno na me read acha me so say mumu bi mo be ye shock say inti Ghana ni wo mbre bi say enende ye jai ama sorry no aye bibia wo hosa no. Yes, asemu a eda ho no. Now we say to do so constitutes an offense punishable on conviction to a fine not exceeding 100,000 cedis or imprisonment not exceeding 3 months or both. Not just at time no ye chill. So o pastor tag no and a pastor a title no eda also. Na ye hwe na wan go through the religious affairs one na odebe to also one na wo bie wa sorry one ma ya mbecheke asori ne say no kre ya ma okwan say bia sorry mbra ma okwan ya ma onkrata say bia sorry na nyama na ye chiwa sika na wutua no 100,000 cedis. Na sa time no obviously sa time na 100,000 cedis no obviously to not be and there 100,000 new Ghana cedis no obviously but sika wo mo abo ato mbra ni mu no and now say ye de wo ebe kwa kotu mfiase. You see how serious the law was. Now let's ask ourselves this simple question, and there adentia na asofo obi mo sabe wo mutumi eye 7 prediasa ensemfo na wo munyo mu 3 edidim sa. I'm asking you a simple question. Just because sa embra we no it was seen as harsh. I don't know whether 1992 constitution no embra we still a wom and a Ghana for yen use, because clearly as you can see we don't use these things again. And then we'll be sorry now what that son that 1 2 3 not that 1 2 3 no e bempe your friend is suffer. Obi sorry tun jom gospel nyom sa wo ye we pe your friend ye the pastor title no ato so but when Rollins emre when answer na ye be fra pastor kran na we hu de wa fam inti emma asofo no they were very very few. That time no asofo no and our churches no they were very few, and if they are few that way you can check them properly. If they are few that way, you find the second in Japan and then some are walking and those days are nanka fast you bet to me a close it down asore no, because answer na asɔre no bɛba no yɛ certain rules and regulations bi ɛma asɔre no na ɛyɛ asɔre no nti no aside the rules and regulations no na yɛwɔ morality grounds bi a saa church affairs and the religious affairs committee no na wɔn check that morality grounds no and they were in charge of the churches. It was to say asɔfo yi ni wei akɔda fast na yagye o license na free nsem afei wo nya sɔfo biom you are no more a pastor. It is a license na free nsem na wo nya pastor biom na still o ko organize nkrofo preach a wetia ambra yagye wa kotum. In 1989 this was the law in Ghana. Masada na makodom esuko na matwe law na aba na trese mepese yedi ho enkomo. And then me know ka say the fact is it will be very difficult for Obinim's church to come down. That is the gospel truth. So officer meboa, and this is just the truth. Kennedy Japan bet to me the nisika shim ako ayeden. But pa say Obinim sorry, ye be closing it down. Aka say Obinim, ye cancel wa sorry ewo Ghana ha say lie. It will not happen. Because ya tenas ya aye hwehan e ma say law yi ye kwatwi mu nanka still these laws e operate wo Ghana ha. Nanka ne kra nanka ye hwem say Obinim edibone a nanka na so be ye hye. Muntie de America no. Muntie de America no ba dwemma na me ne mo kasa. Rollins time law na ka Obinim by this time no any say na sorry no yegu no. But ende wo de bia wote BBC was sorry. How many times now what say Ghana buying aka say yengu was sorry be say that. What did that? Never. In see that. Okogu was sorry. Hey. Now the churches have power. Because ye jai emasisia will be sorry what sorry. And then uko will be area impotemu bia. Sorry when ya sorry can be 10 different churches. Because isiano register nyahwe wo sorry ye wo see wo building na eno ano no wo ko wo see wa sorry wo ko obi antumi metra wo hwe obi an baby sa license bia obi an baby sa hwe inti bukatafo ewrem nanka still ye wo committee bi and I'm sorry na show mo ase na occasionally they were checking these pastors and vetting them nanka officer osofo bi ebeye na aju se wo be yi obi bukata na haka obi so osofo bi be na aju se wo ye fake miracle bi ana no because onim say vetting committee wo mo so sumi mu ayegu asore no onye. And today let me tell you today Ghana embrana 1989 ana ye yusu asisi aya betu egu no ende eno na Rwanda wo mu yusu a wo mu di control wo mo church system no ewo ho ende ko Rwanda na ko hwe o ya sofo na ebi a scandal bi ho asem bi aba controversy bi wo yem hihye be hihye no Rwanda ende ko hwe Ghana mra ya tu egu no eno na ende wo mo implement ewo ho. You see how the thing is. And you guys know for a fact that Sisiano, most of the churches they are out of order. Ende mamentra ende ma wasofo seven prediasa. One ma the church members in rura na one country mo say sa in rura no wo mo ria wo mo benya da ombenya your friends saying everlasting life na hwe so wo mo ria ende mo sofo nka se wo bi nkoku ne maame jimifuo bi wo benya seven prediasa jimifuo bi a wo beto sikan akwa akoku ne maame because osofo aka mutie de meka no nyansafo na me ne mo kasa no so mutie de meka no but tete no Rollins mre a wo sofo no won ne hwan se wo kwaka tro bi se wo koku ne mame se won ne hwan se wo kwaka tro bi se won fa ne draw sembra na hye won ne hwan se wo kwaka tro bi se wo ton oil a man of miracle den won ne hwan se wo kwaka tro bi se wo ton miracle water won ne hwan Rollins time nana ye Jese, wa sorry na egu ya che. Onkrata ni uwe ye ji ye krache. Adia no omo mpese asorry ne krabe dosun because omo susu se nkrofo be sheda akwa bogu asorry ho. na wo mo aye political advantage things be take plans nti wudi agro na wujimi ye begu asori ni sisia. Into the truth of the matter is, Kennedy Japan is saying he will close down Obinim's church. But this same law, ayato tetedieno eguno, this same law will be on the good side of Obinim. Obon say ebi ana Kennedy Japan asem yede, but embrana krano ebe man asem enyede. In regards to closing down Obinim's church. Wo hu se ne yete. Aha. Mo try mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo. Me da ase.